Hi, this is Scoggett, and it's getting dark out here in Tornado Alley, Texas, and it looks like we got another severe thunderstorm rolling into Tornado Alley. Go ahead and pan around a little bit. Show you what's going on. Headed this way. I can already tell by the way it's looking and moving. This camera is not the best, but I'm getting a little bit of lightning here on here. Maybe you can see it. It's getting, like I say, it's getting dark. Clouds are right over me right here. This is Scoggett, and this camera, it's not going to pick up a whole lot, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And I just wanted to get out here and show you what's going on around here. Just pan around a little bit. Hopefully this will get on camera here. These are street lights. You can see the lightning. That's a good one there. Go ahead and end this video. It's getting too dark out here for my camera to catch up. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.